Hairline, what do you think of the growth so far? It's only 6 months.
I am very surprised that the growth is so thick, and I'm not sure how much you put in, but I'm very surprised it's thick and it's natural.
Hi Phil.
Hi.
Okay, so we are seeing you back in 6 months after your hair transplant.
That's correct.
You had a strip transplant, and I'm going to show you to the audience your pictures before the hair transplant to get an idea, okay?
Okay.
So this is what Phil looked like 6 months at the beginning of the transplant. So you can see here the Norwood 5 pattern, and we did a strip transplant to address the balding in the anterior one half of the scalp. And this is what Phil looks like today. This is 6 months post-op, and it's interesting to show a video at 6 months rather than at 1 year. So here we can see this is a growth. It's very natural. It is moderate growth. Face me. Turn your head. Chin down a bit, maybe. Look at the camera. Turn to look at the camera. Turn to your right now. Okay, look at the camera. Chin down here. Okay, turn around please. Now this is, I've been looking for the scar. It's pretty difficult to find. But let's show you. This is where it is. This is where the scar is. This is where the scar is. So you can see it's a pretty good scar. I find it difficult to see it, and it's healed well. Okay, Phil. So what do you think of the transplant, Phil?
I loved it. There wasn't a difficult procedure. Was not painful. Didn't feel anything, and I am very happy with it.
Are you glad you made the decision?
Oh yeah, even at my age, definitely.
How old are you, Phil?
74.
You're 74 years old.
Yeah.
Okay, fantastic. And has anybody else noticed it?
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I've been commented upon, yes. Yeah.
And what do you think of the hairline? What do you think of the growth so far? It's only 6 months.
I am very surprised that the growth is so thick, and I'm not sure how much you put in, but I'm very surprised it's thick and it's natural. Very happy.
And you can do all the things you want with your new hair?
Oh yeah, definitely, yeah.
Dry it and wet it,
oh, yeah.
and comb it.
Very easy, very easy.
For anybody looking to do a transplant, what would you say to them?
Well, don't wait too long. Yeah, don't wait too long. I waited too long.
Well, thank you again, and we'll try and do a follow-up in a year's time.
Oh, that'd be great. I'd like to see what it's like after 12 months. If this is only 6. Yeah.